So I'm loving the more natural look that you wanted. How do you feel about it now that we've dissolved some of the filler?
Well, I really like that it's natural. However, I'm noticing laxity and loss of volume.
Yeah, yeah, and that is a trend. When we go to the more natural look after someone has had filler, you're going to have just a little bit looser skin where that volume was. We do have some options there. We can do Ultherapy, which is an ultrasound guided treatment, which is going to tighten and lift. We can do that with all 3 layers of collagen. We can even do it just to the top layer of collagen first to see how well you do with that. That's almost no downtime. Or we could do Profound, which also gives you, it's their catchphrase is get your snap back. So it will tighten that skin and give you a great result, but you do have to have a week to 10 days of downtime for that one. And I think you're too young for this, but of course there's always surgery. You can do a little mini lift to get that lift and tightening that you want and need. And if we need to do that, we can bring in one of the surgeons to talk about that. But I think you would do great with the non-surgical options first.